is top, front, left, and perspective view. And we're going to start figuring out how to build here. So if you go over here to the sunshine here, and this is the create button, and we're going to start with a box. And as we start with a box, we can just pick a view to start in. And we use our left click to draw the mouse down and draw the mouse over, and we let go once, and then we draw the mouse another place again, and we click, and that will define a box. All right, so that's a start. Up here, you'll see we have our different transformations, and we're going to just work with these three currently. We have our box currently selected. We're going to work with move, and now we can move the box using these arrows. So if we want to move the box along the axis here, which I guess would be the x-axis, we're going to move it with this arrow. If we're going to move it here, which is going to be the y-axis, we're going to use this guy up here. And if we want to move it up and down, we're going to have to use one of the other two views. And so the z-axis we're going to use from blue, and we're going to move him up and down however we'd like to. So that is your basic concepts of how to use move. Rotate, we'll do the same basic kind of ideas. As you can see, there are 1, 2, 3 different axes I can rotate this guy on. And so if we grab the first one here in the middle, you'll see that this particular axis, and it keeps track of your degrees, this guy will rotate the box, looks like basically with respect to the XY plane. And then if we go up here and we pull, wow, that was pretty much the same thing. I didn't really see anything different. I don't think they rotated around different views either, so that's pretty much it. And then this guy here will rotate it. Whoa, that was kind of fun. This guy here will rotate the box along a different axis. If we choose a different view, each one should do something just a little different. Looks like 2 of them are going to be the same. But that is the basic concepts with rotate. Yeah, that guy brings him up and over. Fun. All right, so we're able to rotate a little bit. And last but not least, this is a size transformation. And on your size transformation here, this is a scale. Basic concepts are the fact that we can scale with regards to only one. If we want to scale with respect to x, we grab the x and we pull. And notice it's only scaling in one direction. If we want to scale with respect to y, we grab the y and we can even push if we want to. And it's only scaling in one direction. If we want to do both x and y, we take this trapezoid in the middle and we pull. And it'll do both x and y as a scale with similar things. Same idea will happen down on these others. The only difference is the triangular one. The triangular particular view, if we go into the triangle, that will move all 3 views at once. So if we're down here in this perspective and we grab one of these, it'll scale 2 directions. If we grab one of these, it'll scale the other 2 dimensions. Obviously, this last one will scale out of the other dimension. If we grab one, it will only scale 1 dimension. And if we grab the inside triangle, it will scale all 3, either up or down. So there's how to use the basic concepts of those particular 3 things. That's probably enough for today. Thanks.